So in this video I'm just going to show how to change the pre-filters that look after the RO membrane on one of our X-tank systems. So the easiest way of doing this is to do them one at a time so that you get them the right way around, because you've got to make sure that the sediment paper filter goes to the left and the carbon block goes to the right hand side. So you can use either a filter spanner or just twist them by hand, but if they're stiff you can get a spanner, slide that on and loosen them off. You'll notice on top that they've got these pressure release valves, so if they're a bit stiff to get undone, you can press the valve, it releases the pressure in the housing, and then you can get your spanner on and loosen it off. So if we loosen the bowl, take the bowl off, just to let you know, this is a half built system that we're just doing this demonstration on, so some of it's not piped up, so we can remove the filter from the system, from the housing. Get our sediment filter. There's no correct way of putting this round, so you can put it in either way. Slide it into the housing. Now, a handy little tip with this as well, if you leave water in the actual housing, when you put the filter in, it actually floats, so it locates better at the top of the housing. And they don't have to be over tight, you can just hand tight and just give them a little nip. And then onto the carbon filter. So they visually both look different. So we can discard that one. And we'll get our 20-inch carbon filter. Now again, it doesn't matter which way around you put this, however you need to make sure that these rubber seals stay in place. So we can slide it in, locate it at the bottom, so at the bottom of the housing there's like a little nipple that sticks up, it needs to sit inside that, and then we can locate it at the top and screw this back into place. Thanks for watching.